So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now here I have one large tomato which I've chopped very fine into these small little cubes. One large capsicum chopped very fine. This is one large onion chopped very fine. These are about 6 to 7 large cloves of garlic chopped very fine. So if you chop them up really fine, it gets everything gets blended well together. Now here I have about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, some fresh coriander, about 1/4 cup. This is about 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala and 1 inch of ginger grated, and a little bit of butter as required. Now here in a pan I'm going to be heating 1 teaspoon of oil as well as half a tablespoon of butter. Now you can skip the butter if you don't want, but it adds a lovely flavor. Now I'm going to add the onion and I'm going to fry the onion really well. Now I'm going to add my grated ginger and I'm going to fry everything really well. Next goes in the tomato and I'm going to cover and cook till the tomato gets nice and cooked. Now I'm going to add some red Kashmiri chili powder. This is optional, just for the color. Next goes in some salt to taste. Again, I'm going to cover and cook till the onions and the tomato leave out some liquid. Now I'm going to add the capsicum and I'm going to fry the capsicum well too. Now I'm going to add the pav bhaji masala and fry everything well. The aroma in my kitchen is just fantastic with this pav bhaji masala. And now I'm going to add the chaat masala. This also really enhances the flavor of this dish. And now I'm going to fry everything really well. And I'm going to add my fresh coriander and turn off the flame. I'm going to mix everything well together, and then I'm just going to set this aside till it comes to room temperature, and I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and set it aside to use later. Now here I've taken about 1 tablespoon of butter and melted it. To this I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and I'm going to add all of that garlic that I chopped fine as well as the coriander. I'm going to give everything a good mix. Now I'm going to cut up the pav and I'm going to apply this butter mixture evenly all over the pav. And then I'm going to heat up my pan. I'm using an iron heavy duty pan. I'm going to add a little bit of butter and I'm going to fry the pav with the butter side down. Next, I'm going to apply the mixture that we had prepared with the onions and the capsicums and the tomato and the pav bhaji masala onto 1/2 of each pav and a little bit of grated cheese. Then I'm just going to close the pav like this. Prepare as many as I require. So this was my family, so I prepared about 2 pavs for each person. This is a little bit on the heavy side, so those of you who are health conscious or at the moment on a diet, this is definitely not for you. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of butter onto the pav and I'm just going to nicely roast the top of the pav. Like I said, this is heavy on the tummy, so you can have just 1 or just 2 at the most. And you're just going to fry the pav until it becomes nice and golden brown. And your masala garlic cheese pav is all ready, and it is super delicious. Do give it a try, guys. It's really worth it. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first.
So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.